Hi guys, today we will discuss the impacts of livestock farming on the environment. Before proceeding to our topic, we will see what is livestock farming. What is livestock farming? This is question which is to be answered before proceeding towards the impact of livestock farming on the environment. The question is, what is livestock? In answering this question, I would like to say that livestock farming is the raising or caring of animals or cattle to get products such as meat, milk, egg, wool, and leather from those animals. It is called livestock farming. Now, we will raise a question how raising of animal or cattle is affecting our environment. In answering, we will say and we can discuss that it is an industry which is impacting or affecting our environment very badly. It plays a key role in climate change. You know, it is estimated that 14.5% of global greenhouse gas emissions are caused by the livestock. Role of livestock farming in the polluting the atmosphere is more significant than transportation. The increasing demand for livestock products has caused cutting of forests and turning land into pastures for livestock farming. Production of animal food products is greatest agricultural cause of water pollution. The water pollution is caused by animal excreta. The water pollution is caused by animal excreta, antibiotics, fertilizers, and pesticides used in agricultural productions. You know, when we raise animals, we want some food for them. Therefore, it is the need of time to cut the trees and make the pastures. Pasture is a field a grassy field where cattle can graze and use to grazing for their hunger, to meet the hunger to have food, and we need water. And when animal enter into a lake or pond, they used to throw their waste, urine or dung into water that has many harmful chemical which is polluting the water badly. Therefore, it has impact on water, and due to farming, 14.5% of global greenhouse gas emissions are caused by livestock. It is also observed that 14.5% of global greenhouse gas emission is came from to the livestock sector. I hope you will have understand that fertilizer, antibiotic, pesticide and other chemical when we use to land or in water, they also pollute our environment, and cutting off trees is making our environment more polluted and increasing the greenhouse gases in environment, because we have less oxygen. Emission of oxygen from trees is decreasing, and methane and carbon dioxide is increasing, that are greenhouse gases. These are produced by the livestock, farming by different means or by different things used in livestock farming are increasing the greenhouse gases emission in environment, which is causing the global warming and climate change. Global warming or pollution of environment is directly linked to the climate change. I hope you have understand the impacts of livestock farming on the environment. We have studied at first the definition of livestock farming, then we analyzed how livestock farming is impacting or affecting our environment. It includes different factors such like animal excreta, and due to increment in production demand, such as dairy products and livestock products, it is demanded very much. Therefore, to increase the supply of these products, we need to raise more animal and more pastures for their grazing, and when we have more animal, we will use more chemical, pesticides and other such chemicals for their protection, and they will pollute our water at large. So we can say it is the whole process by which our environment is affecting by livestock farming. Thank you for listening. See you in next topic lecture. Goodbye.